Let's install Windows Server 2022 in VirtualBox. So first of all, we need to create a virtual machine. So I'm going to click new. Then I need to give a name for the virtual machine. Let's say Server 22, and I need to select the paths for the virtual machine. So I'm not going to select the default path, which is the C drive. So I'm just going here, drop down menu, and click other, and I'm going to my E drive, and normally to VirtualBox. I have created a folder called VirtualBox, so I'm selecting the folder. Click select folder. Okay, then Microsoft Windows is the type, so version is not Windows 7, so let's say okay, other Windows 64-bit. Okay, click next. Then for the RAM, let's give 4 GB. Click next and create hard disk drive. 20 GB. Let's give 40 GB. Okay, create. Okay, we have created the virtual machine. So before installing the server software, I would like to add more processing power. So I'm going to settings, then system, and processor. So let's add 2, okay, instead of 1. So CPU. So click OK, then click start. So I have selected here. So I have to give the path to the ISO file. I click here, then I have added it here. So otherwise you can go here and click add and give the path to your ISO file. Click choose and click start. Okay, it's loading. Let's click here to maximize the window. Okay, you can see now it's loaded. The language to install English United States, time zone. Okay, I'm just stick with these default settings and click next and click install now. So here you can see operating system Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation. Standard means that only the command line is there, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to select Windows Server 2022 standard evaluation desktop experience. So click next and accept the Microsoft software license agreement. Click next and click custom install. So you can see my 40 GB drive. So it's now unallocated, so we need to create it. So click new and size, you can see here. Click apply and then OK. Here you can see to ensure that all Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partitions for system files. Click OK. So Windows has created 100 MB system reserved drive, and another partition contains 39.9 GB so as my primary. So I select it and then click next. Okay, it's now starting. Microsoft Server copying is completed. Now getting files ready for installation. It's 0%. It should increase the percentage when the installation is started. So let's see. Okay, now it's 1%. Okay, now installation is completed and installing features is completed also. Now it's installing updates. Okay, it's done, it's finishing up. Now it will be rebooted, so let's click restart now. So you don't have to do anything, because if you press any key, it will be booted again, so you don't need to be pressing any button. So let's see how the Windows Server 2022 boot up. Okay, it's getting ready. Okay, it's rebooted again. Let's see what's happening now. Okay, it's starting up. Okay, so here you can see that we need to create a administrator password in order to log in. So let's create a password here. I have entered 3 capital letters, 3 simple letters, and a symbol, and 3 numbers. Let's do it again. And click finish. And here, if you enter a password with not matching with the requirements, if you enter a small password or not a complex one, it won't get the password. So we need to do all control delete. So let's say, okay, you can see here in the input menu under keyboard, you can see here insert control alt delete. So click here, then it's asks for my administrator password, so I'll enter my password. Okay, please wait for, okay, it's preparing now. I'm so excited to see how the Windows 2022. Okay, now it's loaded. Do you want to allow your PC to be discovered? Okay, let's see. No, it's the server manager is loading up. I need to see how much hard disk drive space took for the installation. So I have used 40 GB, so it took 29.6 GB. It's almost 30 GB took to install Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition. Okay, thanks guys, so let's wrap up.